So here is how you can put your own builda games on your home screen like I did. So first off, go to the app builda, and then let's say you're like, oh, I want to add this game to my home screen. Well, then you go here to copy link. And I can't talk like a lot because my throat kind of hurts. So then you go here, then you copy the link. And then you go to install and create shortcut. You can either do it so it opens in Chrome, or you can actually install like the game. It should say installing app installed. Go back. And here it is, right here. And so, yeah, that is how you create your own, you put your own games on your home screen. So now, if you try to enter it, go to play, it'll still make you go and builda, but at least it'll still be for looks. So I don't really know how to actually make it so it does play the game, and that's probably not possible yet. And I also did want to turn my games into like files so other people can like install them, but probably not going to happen till like a while. So that's how I know so far you can put your games on your home screen like you actually installed it from the Play Store.